My name is Adrian Trevitt. I'm the Economic Development Manager at the Borough of Poole, and I'm also the Chair of the Dorset Engineering Manufacturing Cluster. We're really glad to be holding our fourth event of the Meet the Buyer series, and we've got over 15 businesses here buying and over 100 suppliers. We're really hoping they have a productive day and ultimately to improve the productivity of Dorset.
Yeah, so we're here today at the Dorset Manufacturing and Engineering Meet the Buyer event. Proud to support it. Here representing Innovate UK and the innovation funding and innovation support that's available, and also the Enterprise Europe network, of which is the world's biggest business support network across the world. And we're here to help connect those Dorset businesses that want to perhaps expand into Europe, find partners across the world, and more than happy to meet any business that wants to come and have a conversation today.
Okay, my name is Gary Moore. I'm the procurement lead for BAE Systems at Christchurch, working in the defence information part of BAE. I'm really pleased to be back here for the second time at the Meet the Buyer event. We come here because we are very supportive of local suppliers. In fact, we have quite a high percentage of small to medium enterprise suppliers in the local area, and this sort of event gives us the chance to see what else is out there and also make contact with suppliers that we already deal with. So today has gone very well. We've already got a few new leads and look forward to getting in touch with those suppliers in the next few weeks.
I'm Chrissy, I work for PSP Logistics. We're based at Herne Airport. We also have an office at Fareham in Hampshire. I come along to this event today because I think it's really important to meet other companies locally and to network and to meet the right people. I think local sourcing is important. I think with our warehouse at Herne Airport, we're right in the middle of Dorset. We can specialise in late deliveries and provide a one-to-one service with local companies.
The Norco GRP, a company of about 150 employees based in Wareham, Holton Heath Industrial Estate. We're a composite manufacturer. We come to this event today to basically meet new contacts, suppliers and potential new customers. Already made a number of new connections, which is great. It's always pleasing to see lots of new people.
My name is Doug Shepherd. I'm here representing Parva Lux electric motors. I'm the purchasing manager here. We're a design and manufacturing company specialising in the design of gearboxes and electric motors. This event has been able to connect us to the right people in the computer science areas. They've done a fantastic job in selecting both the right buyers and the right potential suppliers to come here to set up the links. So all in all, it's been a really worthwhile event, and we're already looking forward to next year.